So every finale must fill with lots of audience expectation. And what if Jason returns? Because if you have watched this show, then you all know his obsession with Bailey didn't just vanish after his last appearance. Now he escaped custody in episode 14. It's highly likely he is stalking Bailey or gathering some important information, plotting a calculated revenge, possibly targeting her through Nolan or even her colleagues. If the writers are building towards a high stake ending, Jason could take Bailey hostage, pushing Nolan into a personal crisis and also force him to confront Jason alone, thus making the end scene more dark and quite twisted. And the main thing is that Nolan, the perfect rookie officer, have to control his emotion in order to take matter in their own hands professionally instead of personally. And this could create a very important situation for the finale and audience will quite love